Next one is, so the second problem is integral of 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x. So here sin x and cos x both terms are involved. So what is the model? The model is 1 by a b sin x plus c cos x. So this is the model. So let us assume that t equal to tan x by 2 and dx can be written as 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. And next we writing as a sin x, that is sin x can be written as, how to write a sin x? 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x can be written as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So first the given question taken as equation number 1 and these two all are equation number 2. Substitute substitute 2 in 1. So that is nothing but integral of 1 by 1 plus sin x. What is sin x? Sin x is nothing but 2t by 1 plus t square. And next cos x. Cos x is nothing but 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Into dx. What is the value of dx? Dx is nothing but 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. So it can be, what is the LCM? The LCM is 1 plus t square here. So we get that 1 by 1 into 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 1 minus 2 square by 1 plus t square into 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. And we know this one already I explained that 1 by 2 by 3, that is 1 by 2 by 3 can be written as a 3 by 2. So for that it will be written as 1 plus t square by, and we simplify this part, 1 into 1, 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 1 minus t square into 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancelled, and plus t square minus t square is cancelled. So finally we get that 1 by 1 plus 1 nothing but a 2 plus 2t, 2 into dt. So we have to take a 2 as a common. We get that 1 by 2 into 1 plus t into 2 into dt. 2 is cancelled. So finally we get that integration of 1 by t, 1 plus t. So we know that integration of 1 by x, what is that? Log x. So here we get that log of 1 plus t. Substitute t. Substitute t. What is t? T nothing but a tan x by 2. So finally we get that log of 1 plus tan x by 2.